Hey, Mike here from M Squared, enjoying the now. In this video I'm going to show you how to change out an RV electrical outlet with a standard outlet that includes 2 USB ports. Anybody knows these outlets always come loose. No matter how much you tighten them, they'll still be loose and pop out like that. So I'm going to replace those. Put in a standard blue box. Has the securing clips, which secure a lot better than the RV plugs. And we got this set of 4 off of Amazon. Had it delivered here to the RV park in Lynchburg, Virginia. Got a set of 4 for $36. I think a set of 4, or actually I don't think you can buy a set of 4 in Lowe's or Home Depot, but they're pretty expensive. So I almost got 4 for the price of 1. The only problem with these is that they are tamper resistant. That means they have a little spring-loaded device in there. So when you push in the plug, it's supposed to slide over so it can slide in there. And those are tamper resistant, so little kids don't stick any forks or knives or anything like that in there. So I'm going to remove those. Pretty simple to do. Take the 4 screws out, pull it off, and take them out. Here's what they look like from the back and then the front. They are a pain in the ass. The reason why I'm removing them is because these walls have a little flex. So anytime you're pushing in, pulling out, it's going to flex that wall, make it loose. And they're pretty hard to get in. This one I haven't removed the devices yet. They're pretty hard to get in there. So I'll take care of that right now. Much easier. So now we're not going to need this little charging plug. Let's pop that off. Slide those in. And this one is designed for iPhones and iPads, whatever else you got. That easy. We don't plan on having kids anytime soon, so there's no point in having them. And cover just snaps back on there. Okay, let's get these two replaced. Obviously you want to turn the power off before you mess with these. On these you just pop the two clips off, either side, like so. And these are just pinch fit, so there's no screws, anything. Okay, on these I don't have them wrap around here. I can just push the wires right in the holes here.